Hello children. So again we are going to start online class due to COVID-19. As you know, it is spreading very high rate, so it is inconvenient to open school. So lastly we have to study again with online method. So we are going to a quick revision. These lessons I can explain before. You can go through the YouTube videos through my channel online study with Vinay. So now we are going to quick revision. Okay, so we will study here the first lesson of class 6, food. Where does it come from? Means how do we get? Understand? So as you know, food is a substance. This is the definition. Food is a substance eaten by us to do work, grow, maintain our body and remain healthy. These four work done by the food. And in the for doing this process our food goes in many processes, that is called digestion from our mouth to anus. It goes in several stages. Food is very precious. Neither we compare it through money nor we compare it other things. Because whatever the food can do in our body, neither anything can do. So we should not waste food in any way. Not in the programs, not in the function, not in the marriage parties, and anywhere, wherever you are eating, don't waste the food. Have it very nicely. So, all the things, plants, animals, including human beings, need energy to live and grow. Means what? Whoever that are alive, so they need the food to why the same thing work, grow, maintain body our body there and healthy. They get this energy from food. The food act as fuel. Fuel means that through that our body work like the machines or the engines of the train and the planes work. All living organisms and help them to do various day-to-day activities. Many activities we do in our daily life. Understand? Food is burnt inside our body and we get energy to build our body. For what? To maintain our health and do work. Mainly there are two works, to make our body nice and healthy and to complete the work whatever we are doing. Our body thus is like a machine, living machine. Means the machine, the train, the car, the plane, that are the artificial machine, but our body is a living machine. Understand? But we never eat the same food every day, so we eat variety of food every day. Not every each day we take the same food like dal, curd, paneer. You know, we take different dishes and different style, that is called dishes. The definition of dishes is this. Look at here, a particular variety of preparation of food served as part of meal, means part of our food. And any, this is the definition of ingredients. Ingredient means the things, the that whatever we add in the making a dish. Like if we making a pulses, make we are making the dal, then we have to add the pulses, the water, the turmeric powder, the salt, and then these are the ingredients through that which are combined to make a particular dish. Understand? And in the ingredients there are several spices also came. Food items and their ingredients. The various food items, that is called dishes, which we eat daily or usually made up of more than one material or ingredients, and it is compulsory or it is not possible to make a dish with a single ingredient. Suppose that a very simple thing is making of tea. So tea is also prepared through three or four ingredients. Suppose that one is water, the second one is milk, the third one is chai patti. Understand? And the fourth is, if you want to get the flavor, so then you have to add the ginger or the cardamom, etc., etc. So there are 3 4 ingredients you have to needed to make the tea and nice tea. This will become more clear from the following example. There are example given for you. In order to prepare boiled rice, means the rice what we eat in our daily life, we take raw rice and boil it in water. So there are two ingredients. The one is rice, the raw rice, and the second is water. Some food items are made by using many ingredients. To prepare vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil, water. Understand? In the so now we will go through the next page. Sources of food. It is very important. Means from where we get food. So that is called sources of food. We get food items mainly two sources. These are the main sources: plants and animals. I have fully explained already with the help of Kind Master. I prepared video in a several intervals. Yeah, it's very short topic. So you have to go through my video channel, and there you can visit it. So firstly, we will discuss how we get the food from plants. The first one is cereals. Cereals means the food in grains form. Cereals are the food that grain produce like wheat, barley, millet, rice, etc. The first one is wheat. Wheat is a very common and staple. Staple means main food. And majority of North Indians. North Indian is the area where northern plain is found. There Ganga river is there, that is called the Gangetic plains. There mainly most of the rivers flow, and most of the agriculture done on that field, that is called north plain, and their people are called North Indians. After rice, it is our second major food. After rice means the first one is the rice, main food, and the second one is the wheat. Understand? The western part of the fertile northern plains of India are the most suitable for growing wheat. To understand these, what is western, eastern, you have to go visit the map of the Indian agriculture field. Rice is staple food for majority of Indians, and rice is rich source of carbohydrate which gives us energy. And rice is produced in our country mainly West Bengals, Bihar, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Andaman and Iceland. Next one is maize or corn that we eat called bhutta, that is coming in this season, the July and August, in the rainy season it will come, and we eat very gently. And the United States of America is the first and largest producer of corn. Almost half of the world harvest means the half agriculture of the maize or corn done by the America. Next one is pulses. Pulses are the main source of protein, or that, and these are the protein is good for the vegetarians that never eat the eggs and the meat also. Na? So most people use pulses as dal, wheat chapati or boiled rice. Ne? Dal roti and the dal chawal that are very famous for North Indian people. So and it is mentioned in the Vedas, vadas, pakodis, and all. It is also made by the pulses. The third one is oil seed. Oil seed means seeds through which we get the oil, like mustard, flax. Many kinds of seed yield edible oil. Edible oil means what we use. Oil provided valuable cooking medium for various food articles. As you know, without oil we can't prepare the food. As most of the people in India are vegetarians, edible oil, butter, ghee, these are the common things that we add in our vegetables and curry to make it nice. And you know, butter and ghee are very expensive. Nowadays, if you go to the dairy farms and there we purchase the ghee and the butter, so that may be more than 700 800 rupees per kg. So we need oil because it is very cheap and easy to get. Next is fruits, very nice things for eating, the good source of vitamin, minerals, protein, etc., etc. And all kinds of foods are come in different seasons, like in in the month of June and July there are lychee, mangoes come, you know, these are the season of. And in the January, February we eat guava and the other things. And the fruits are rich source of vitamins and minerals. Banana gives us lot of energy and some minerals, and guava and all citrus food are rich in vitamin B and C. The next eating thing is vegetables. We eat very different parts of the plants as vegetables, such as some vegetables we eat as a root part, some we eat middle part means stems, and some we eat the leaf and flowers. Roots of some plants like radish, carrot, sweet potato, beetroot are eaten, and stem of certain plants are eaten. Such stem are just like a very famous is sugar cane. Plant is eaten and also make sugar. Stem of banana plant is cooked and eaten in southern India. And in the southern India, banana leaves are also used as a plate in the hotels and the houses. They find it good for eating and eco-friendly. Certain plants have underground stems, wheat like potato, onion, garlic, ginger. They are found in the underside of soil. Potato is a type of stem called tuber. Onion and garlic are type of stem called ginger is type of stem called rhizome. These are the example. Even you can see the picture of these food, sorry, vegetables. And leaves of plants like lettuce, spinach, cabbage, coriander, mint are eaten as a leaves form. And the flowers of some vegetable wheat like cauliflower, broccoli is not easily find in our we import from the other countries. Banana leaves and the pumpkins, these are eaten in very vast areas and very large number of. So here I explained half of the lesson. Yeah, I hope you will understand, and try to watch this video 2 3 times, then you can understand whatever I want to explain. And go the YouTube link of my videos and visit there. I hope I explained nicely and make it interesting. And the half of the lesson I will explain you in next lecture. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.